Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You sit, set the seat and mirrors so you can see all corners clearly, and adjust the wheel for control. Next, check tire pressure and fuel. You want predictable grip and range. Start the engine and keep sport mode off for the first run so inputs remain forgiving. Once done, release the clutch smoothly, use light throttle, and practice a few low-speed shifts to feel the clutch bite and torque. This establishes a baseline before higher speed or aggressive inputs. You now focus on controlled acceleration. Blend the clutch and throttle rather than stomping the gas, feathering the throttle for about 0.5 1 second on takeoff to avoid wheel spin. When merging or accelerating, use 2-3 gears in town and 4-5 on the highway so you stay in the power band without overvang. Make sure to brake earlier than you think and downshift smoothly while matching revs to prevent jerks. Once comfortable, introduce slight throttle modulation. You finish by managing corners. Brake in a straight line, select the gear that gives immediate throttle response, hit the apex, then progressively roll on the throttle for exit speed. Smooth steering inputs keep the car balanced. Avoid sudden corrections that unsettle the chassis. If you encounter turbo lag or a snap of oversteer, ease the throttle to regain traction and apply gentle countersteer only as needed. If things still feel unstable, reduce speed and repeat the corner entry steps until consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.